Hey guys, it's Neha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to make this easy, rich chocolate cake. The cake is so deliciously rich and moist, and I guarantee you will love this chocolate cake. It is so easy and quick to make the batter with all the ingredients mixed up in one bowl. Now let's get to the ingredients. In a large bowl, mix up all the dry ingredients first. I'm adding 1 3/4 cups or 225 grams of plain white flour. Add in 1 3/4 cups or 350 grams of sugar. Mix in 3/4 cups or 67 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder. Add 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder. And 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda. Sprinkle in 1/2 teaspoon of salt and mix well until fully combined. While you're doing this, make sure you preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, hit the subscribe button and like this video. It would mean so much to me. Once all the dry ingredients are all mixed in, crack 2 eggs and beat them together. I'm using a hand mixer over here just to make the process a bit easier, but if you don't have one, you can just use a whisk. Pour in 1/2 cup or 125 ml of oil. I used canola oil. Adding oil to the cake improves the texture of the cake. Oil cakes tend to bake up loftier with a more even crumb, and it stays moist and tender. Add 1 teaspoon or 5 ml of vanilla essence. Pour 1 cup or 250 ml of milk. And beat together until everything is combined. I poured the milk in batches just to make it easier for me to mix. If you missed any of the ingredients that I listed, don't worry because I put all the ingredients down in the description below so you can check it anytime. I'm adding the rest of the milk in and blending it together. You can also use this cake batter to make some cupcakes. Bake it for around 20 minutes and you will have some of the best chocolate cupcakes ever. Scrape the sides if needed. The last special ingredient is adding 1 cup or 250 ml of boiling water, and be careful with mixing this because the water is hot, and do not use a hand mixer because the water will get everywhere and it might burn you. After you pour in the boiling water, it looks really runny and it looks like you ruined it, but just trust the process and it will turn out really delicious. The water just makes the chocolate flavor bloom and makes this cake super moist. Prepare your cake tin. I'm just brushing the sides of the cake tin with some melted butter, and I put some baking paper on the bottom. I am using a 9-inch cake tin. Pour the chocolate cake batter into your prepared cake tin and bake for about 35 to 45 minutes. All tin sizes differ, so check often around 30 minutes. Before putting it in the oven, just tap the batter a little and move it sideways to make sure it spreads evenly. You will know when the cake is done when you insert a toothpick in the center of the cake, and if it comes out clean, the cake is done. If not, just put it back in for another few minutes. When cutting the cake, either dip your knife into a tall container of very hot water or hold it under hot running water for a few seconds. Then wipe it dry before cutting the cake. This will ensure that you will get some nice, clean cut slices. Look at how this cake is so deliciously rich and moist, and it has such a great chocolate flavor. And I guarantee you will love this chocolate cake. It is so easy and quick to make the batter with all the ingredients mixed up in one bowl. Hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a big like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click on the bell down below to receive notifications every time I post a new video, and I post every single week. Bye!